Want to earn 1 million Amex points in 1 year? Here's the strategy. Most people think it's impossible without massive spending. It isn't. Target breakdown. 1 million points equals about 83,333 points per month, roughly 2,740 per day. We'll use 5 pillars: sign-up bonuses, bonus categories, referrals, authorized users, and retention. Each pillar has clear monthly targets and actions you can follow. Ready to start? Step 1 is maximize welcome bonuses. Choose 2 high-value Amex cards with the biggest welcome offers and plan to meet their minimum spends. Space applications every 4 to 6 months to manage credit health and timing. Put recurring bills and big purchases on the right card to hit category bonuses. Add authorized users early for extra point multipliers and meet spend thresholds faster. Use referral links and targeted spending to capture bonus points each month. Track monthly targets. Keep a card after bonuses, transfer points to partners, and download the free checklist below.